Time for a new video. Not much new information, but we talked about Hello World, how to output the message to the screen, so you already know. Hello, I made some typo. Run this. Hello World. How to take user input. In one of the videos I explained this, but console read line much simpler than Java. Here everything related to outputting, inputting is in the console. Hello world. Okay. Now I'm going to explain a bit how everything works. The computer does not understand, what is namespace, what is this class. These are words which we understand. The computer understands a totally different language. At the base hardware level, it's about some signals. So basically, this is the editor, and by pressing this, you're telling something called a compiler how to convert this into some machine code. Now, .NET uses, some runtime, so basically you can write in different languages, and there is something called IL, like some how to say, I don't know the word, but it's some language which is like the medium between all the languages, and in order for you to create some other language which is compatible with the .NET framework, you need to be compatible with this language specifications. Now, this is going a bit too deep for this video, but in the end, you receive some either library or some exe file, and you can go to right click on the project and go to bin to debug. This folder might be different because I'm using .NET 5, but maybe you are using some different version. Go here and run some terminal, and this is the program. And as you can see, this is you can run it as many times as you want, and this is the program. Now, if you are using the terminal, you know that there are many commands, and let's say I want to create some directory. I run this program, which is somewhere on the computer, and this folder is added to the path, and then this is why I can type in make directory without going to the folder and running the program from there, like I am doing right now. But this make directory expects some parameter, and now I created, you can see the folder. How to achieve this in our program, like how to take in some input. Let's say I want to type in hello world and take some input. Okay, let's do this first. Go here to properties and delete this, and then have like something proper input. And here the arguments. It's like an array of arguments. So we want to display the first argument, and we know array start from 0, so we type 0, and we display input 1. Okay, now if we run this program, it doesn't know about this project settings. I did this too fast, I didn't explain. It's like in project properties, and then you have to go into debug, and in application arguments you type in your arguments. But if I run my program, like hello world, the wrong name, and unhandled exception. Why? Because we don't have this argument. These project settings are not relevant in this case, so I have to run this and then arg1, and it works. Now there settings for the console, change the font, change the colors, change the background, and you can set the console parameters. You can go and check the documentation, but for now these are the ways. You can take input from files, but here it's just basic input and output. You can store the information in files as well. But for now, I wanted to make some short video, and I think this covers the basics. Thanks for watching.